this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is the Can't Sleep Creation Spring Fever. Our host is Monica from Up All Night and Dawn from Shabby Meets Bling. Please check out their channels and the amazing creatives in the playlist. Since it's been pretty cloudy in Ohio this year, I think I'm going to do kind of a cloudy sky. I went a little heavy-handed. I'm doing that today. Some days I don't put enough on. Other days I go a little heavy-handed. Today's a heavy-handed day. Just blending it to make it look like sky. And if you go darker than you like, you can always add a little bit of white in. But I think I need to lighten that up a little. You can add a little white paint to it. Okay. Now let's add our grass. Shake it up. I do not know what that is, but I don't want it in my paint. Now we're doing this by hand. I'm not drawing anything on. I'm gonna start off with a big circle. On top of that, I'm going to add a small circle. No, it's not a brown snowman, so I know some of you was thinking that. I know. I know she's making a brown snowman. No. Now, do you know what we're making? We're making a bunny. I'm taking a little white and a little brown Just kind of mixing it together, trying to make it a lighter color. Trying to make a little poofy tail. And while we're at it, we're gonna grab a different color green. Maybe, you know, you're weak when you can't even open a paint bottle. Yeah. And now we're gonna just add some highlights in the grass. Just here and there, going every which way, because, you know, grass don't grow the same direction. And yeah. And more or as less as you like. I'm more on mine, but, and then I want to add long pieces. You're like, what in the world is that mess? I know what you're saying. You'll see what I'm doing here in a little bit. Let this dry and you'll see what I'm doing. Okay, we're gonna start by just cutting off a piece of the rope. And I think I'll just drop it on the floor. And let's wrap it around our hand as many times as you feel that'd be as fluffy as you'd like it. And then take that piece and wrap it around. There we go. Okay, we got this. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim this. And let's fluff this out a little. And what I'm doing is trying to make like where it looks like a little flower. Okay, we're gonna add that to the top just to give it a little embellishment here on the top. And now we're gonna start painting our lavender. 2 Q-tips. You know I like to use Q-tips in my painting. And just go. Have you painted lavender? It's very easy, especially with 2 Q-tips, just using 2 Q-tips. And I'm mixing a little bit of white in with my purple. Bring him down a little more. You can go back and add a little more white if you want a little bit more highlight in here and there. If you think you got too much white, you can always go back in and add purple. Play with it till it's where you like it. Here's our little bunny picture with our lavender. This would be cute. You could do this as big or as small as you wanted to. And I thought it would be cute in my kitchen. But you could make it a larger size and put it on your mantle. You could even put it on a canvas. It wouldn't matter.